Hello, my dear student. I am Arjun Chauhan from Podar International School, Rajkot. Grade 4, Subject English, Chapter Future Tense. Future Tense, let's read a paragraph. Seema's father will arrive from Delhi early tomorrow morning. Seema's grandmother will make his favorite breakfast. Her mother will drop her to school. Then her father will pick her up. In the evening, Seema will be playing badminton with her father. The words will arrive, will make, will drop, will pick, and will be playing imply that the action has not yet taken place. The action will occur in the future. The future tense is the verb form you use to talk about things that have not happened yet. So we will learn about two forms of future tense, simple future tense and future continuous tense. Let's start with simple future tense. The simple future tense describes an action that will happen in the future. For example, we will clean the house after the guests have left. I will sing at the concert tomorrow. The weaver will weave a fine cloth for a gentleman. The simple future tense uses the helping verb will plus base form, you can say base verb, when talking about the future. Let's read another 3 sentences. You will not be late. I will collect vegetables from the main market. I will lose my regular customers. These sentences are in simple future tense. They speak about actions that will take place in the future. Now, read the following sentences from the above dialogue. I will be providing fish to my customers on time. This sentence tells us about an action that will be going on at a particular point of time in the future. This is called the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense uses the following forms. Will be plus base form means verb form plus ing. In the future continuous tense, will be is used as helping verbs along with the main verb. The future continuous tense is used when an action is thought to be going on at the specific time in the future. For example, I will be going to the market with a father in the evening. So here will be is a helping verb and going is a main verb. She will be playing for her school in next month. Will be helping verb, playing is the main verb. So let's revise the topic, simple future tense. So usage of simple future tense, or you can say formula of simple future tense is in a declarative sentences, subject plus shall will plus base form. I will go to Thailand. Negative sentences, subject plus will not, or you can write want also, plus verb that will be in a base form. I will not go to Thailand. Interrogative sentence, will subject, will plus subject plus base form plus at last what will come? Question mark. Will you go to Thailand? So you can see in this formula, declarative, negative and interrogative sentences are given with an example, so you will get more idea. Future continuous tense, let's see the formula. Subject plus will plus be plus verb ing form. Example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. Declarative sentence. Negative sentence, subject plus will plus not plus be, verb plus ing. I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. Interrogative sentence. Will plus subject plus be plus verb and ing. An interrogative sentence, at the end of the sentence we are putting question mark. So will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? Question mark. So these are the formulas of future continuous tense. So you can see the difference between, especially formula, the difference between simple future tense and future continuous tense. So in a simple future tense, we are adding shall will plus base form. And in a continuous tense, we are using shall will plus be plus ing. Thank you very much.